Today I'll tell you a new app, that is a GeoMeet app. This app is used for doing online lecture and classes, and there is no such kind of restriction like 40 minutes, all that. It is quite user friendly. You can easily download and use this app. Now we will start. Today we will discuss like how we can download this GeoMeet app. Just go to Google and type here GeoMeet app, right? Now there are few links. You can click any link from the above mentioned link, right? GeoMeet apps on the Google Play or the GeoMeet. I'd click the second. Just click this one. Now as you see, it is browsing. Now the software will be installed in your desktop, right? In this way, see, it takes times. In the meanwhile, we will discuss other things if you want to. Like these are all about the platform used to discuss the online lecture or the classes, right? These are the 5 links. Like you can download it from App Store, like download on the Windows, like if you are using iPhone or your iPad, you can download from the third one link, right? Now I'm using my need to download it in my laptop, so I click the link second, download on the window, right? Now click the run. In this way, it is downloaded in my laptop or desktop. The screen is shown like this, and it is quite similar to the Zoom. If you are quite comfortable with the Zoom, there is no problem to use this app. Otherwise, there are another features except the Zoom. Like in this way, there is no time limit as we already discussed, and it is quite user friendly. Like in this way, there is no need to make host to one person. They can schedule a meeting. Anybody can share their screen. If you want to have a demo regarding GeoMeet app, please mention in the comment box. I would like to run the same app for the demonstration purpose, right? Now it will take time. In the meantime, we will do something else if you want to. And really, if you want to discuss anything regarding the chemistry or the general awareness regarding the science, please to mention in the comment box. Thank you so much. This is our downloaded app, that is a GeoMeet. Like if you want to schedule any kind of meeting, you can sign up like you have to create the new account. After that, by signing, you can schedule number of meeting, and there is no time limit. You can do any kind of meeting for a longer time, not like in the Zoom there is only meeting time that is of 40 minutes. Here is not like that. Please. Now I'll tell you how you can install the same app using your mobile. Just go to Play Store and type here GeoMeet, right? This icon will come. Just I have already installed this app in my phone. That's why only green icon will be highlighted. Otherwise, it will show like install. Just click that button, open. I do not want to update right now, so I skip it. It will show like this, right? By using this app, you can schedule a number of meetings. By signing, you can schedule your own meeting You can join any meeting. You can there is no need to make any kind of host. You can easily please try Indian app for conducting online session or online classes. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.